Hey everybody, this is Kenny Conklin from SciFiAntasy.com and welcome to another YouTube review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 1/350 scale Katinga aftermarket set from Greenstrawberry, and I'd like to thank Lucas and the team at Greenstrawberry for sending this over so we can open it up and show you what's in there and let you know how we feel about the kit. So without any further ado, let's get over to the bench and open this guy up. This is kit 09019-1350 for the IKS Amar Katinga class from Greenstrawberry. It's in 1/350 scale, and it's the usual cellophane wrapping with the tab that you can open and close. I actually took everything out and took pictures for the article already, so this is backwards. Comes with the hard cardboard backing, your pieces inside, a warning on the back, and it shows you how to take the pieces in and out, and Greenstrawberry on the bottom. So let's open this up and see what we got inside. So we'll start out with the instruction sheet like we usually do. And it shows you up top what comes in the package. It goes through a little bit of warning, and then you got the key as to what Greenstrawberry is calling out during the build process. It goes right through the build process from the bulb, showing you things to cut out, where to put some PE, and then the same thing through the bulb, greeblies around, the screens for the engines, the torpedo launcher tubes. This is for lighting. You could put the brass in there, and here's the tube again. And then you come down to this area here, which has a lot, and this is one of the areas that I've been trying to tell Lucas about. There's just too much crammed into this little area. This should be broken down into probably this step as single parts on a page, and then this could be together because they're actually smaller. So there's nothing wrong with the directions, it's just a little jumbled and you really can't see what's going on. It makes it a little harder to see what's going on, I should say. And then in the back, you got the rest of the greeblies for the neck and the front of the ship here. Sorry about the hands behind the piece, but this piece is very hard to see without anything behind it. These are the lenses that you can cut out and put in for lighting. It makes it a lot easier. It's just a piece of clear acetate with the markings on there. Okay, so we'll take a look at the first sheet of PE that comes in the set. And I know it's hard to see on camera, but there will be a written article on hobbylinkinternational.com that will be in the description below, so you can see more pictures of that. This sheet actually comes with just a lot of greeblies that'll enhance the already enhanced kit that came out from Polar Lights. Over here, you'll see these are for the torpedo launchers, front and back, so you'll be able to light those up, and that'll look pretty cool with the flashing coming through those. You have the grills for the engines, and then this is just, like I said, this is for the back of the ship, greeblies the side. These are for the front onion bulb. Those go on the sides like the venting, and just more greeblies to add more detail. So let's take a look at the second sheet. This is the second sheet of PE. Again, I'm sorry that's a little harder to see. Just come over to the site, check out the article for the pictures. But this is the bands of windows that are going to go around the onion bulb at the bottom. They're already cut out, so that makes it a lot easier for you to light up the kit, and you'll see the light shining through these. So I think these are the bottom ones and these are the top ones. That I may be a little reversed. And this is the crown or the triangle that goes in between this section and this section over there. So it's nice that it's in 3 sections. You just butt them up, and then you have a few more greeblies on the side to take care of that. Well, that's pretty much it for the kit. It doesn't come with many parts, just the 2 PE frets and a little piece of acetate. This way you can cut those out for the windows. So it's time to get into the pros and cons. First, we're going to start off with the cons of the kit, and this is something I told Lucas in the past. I've seen it with other manufacturers where they take tape and actually scotch tape the PE down to the hard cardboard backing, and that's just to add a little more protection for when you open the kit. Sometimes it actually falls into the bag and you got to dig it out, but I'm more worried about when you take it out of the bag. If you're not grabbing onto it, it can definitely fall out of your hand, hit the table, bend a corner, something like that. It's happened to me where it's fallen out, so it'd be good to see just a little piece of tape on there on either side to hold it in. The second thing, again, is the instructions. I've told Lucas about it, and actually they have a group now, Greenstrawberry, on Facebook, where they're asking questions about things, and the first thing they asked about was the instructions. The problem with the instructions is not that they're not clear, it's just they cram sometimes too many things into one window, and when you put that many things into one window, it's harder to see the numbers get a little jumbled up and it can be confusing. So to remedy that, it's a lot easier to just take those bigger parts and add it onto another sheet. This way the customer can see exactly what's going on. Those are the only two things wrong with the kit, so it's nothing to stop you from buying it. It's really just nitpicky stuff about what's going on with the kit. It's nothing wrong with the kit itself. So let's get into the pros of the kit. As always, it's an awesome PE set. They do a really nice job, especially with the tiny pieces and the enhancements. The windows are very nice. They're cut out cleanly, so that'll help with lighting the model. I really like the photon torpedoes for the front and rear, that you'll be able to place those in there, light them up, and you're going to see that effect coming through. You also have a ton of greeblies to add on to the kit itself, and I really like the mesh for the back of the back engines at the rear. That's going to look really good when it's lit up and coming through. So that's it on the pros. It's just an excellent kit. It's going to enhance the build, and it'll look really great once you get it on there. I'd like to thank everybody for stopping by and checking out another video. And if you hadn't noticed, I got a Greenstrawberry shirt on. Lucas and the team were nice enough to send it over for Christmas time. I think they might be coming out with these, so if you're interested in this t-shirt, join the group. Let Lucas and Susanna know that you're interested in it, and write a little note. Hey, that's a cool shirt. I'd like to get one, and they'll get it on the site if they don't already have it over there. Again, we'd like to thank Greenstrawberry for sending over the PE. This way we can check it out and we can show it to you. And don't forget to come over to the site for the written review. And we're going to have 2 more reviews. We have 2 more kits coming up this week. One is the Starfighter Fruit Pack, and the other one is the smaller 1/1000 scale USS Defiant. So stay tuned for those. You'll see them soon. Thanks again for stopping by, everybody. I hope you have a great night. Take care, and bye-bye.